Imagine snow-capped volcanoes. Without European price tags. Welcome to Chile's Lake District. When people think of Chile, they think of Patagonia. Expensive. Remote. Extreme. But the Lake District? It's accessible, affordable, and incredibly family-friendly. Let me show you why. Nature plus calm morning mist over Lake Llanquihue. Volcano views from small towns like Puerto Varas. Kayaking in calm waters. This is where families disconnect from noise and reconnect with nature. But here's the best part. Budget advantage outdoor activities cost little or nothing. Hiking trails are free. Lakes are public. Local cabins and guest houses are affordable. Cook simple meals using local markets. This region rewards slow travel. And slow travel saves money. Family moments evenings by the lake. Board games in wooden cabins. Campfire conversations. No theme parks. No expensive attractions. Just space to breathe. And that creates something more valuable than luxury. Connection. Would your family enjoy this kind of peaceful, nature-based trip? Or do you prefer city adventures? Comment below. Chile's Lake District shows that serenity doesn't require a 5-star resort. Sometimes it just requires fresh air and intentional travel. Like this video if you love nature escapes. Subscribe to Destination Diaries for more affordable family travel ideas.